It's some epoxy barrier coat. Got this thing going here.
So this is the paint or the primer?
This is primer, not paint.
So we still haven't gotten to the color?
Nope, nope.
There's still one more layer?
This is the final primer layer. And then I think we're gonna put 2 coats of bottom paint. I think. That's what we're going on. I'm gonna ask Jim. See that just 1 or 2 of the same color or something like that going on.
Bro, that's my music running.
You can hit this little block spot here. I guess. Yeah. So are you gonna put like a trace coat on it?
Green, red. You just need yellow.
Jim?
What's that?
Are you gonna put a trace coat or just green?
Well, John was telling me I should do that. I don't get it. But why not just paint the green bottom, you know?
That's fine. I don't care.
Where you gonna put the yellow?
I mean, you do that if you're gonna try and extend the bottom paint for 3 years
Yeah.
and it's wearing out, but
Right.
I'm just gonna paint the bottom every year.
Sure.
I always have in every boat I've ever had.
Right, and then you just end up with a trace coat.
So every year I'm looking forward to painting it?
That's
Live that long.
that's work
Don't
security.
talk like that, dude.
Job security.
I don't want to hear that talk.
You'll be around for another 1 or 2 bottom paints, bottom coats.
Jim will be around for the next 20 bottom paint. 20 to 30.
You gotta fill the pan, man.
I don't need a lot of paint to do with these spots. You are soaking all up. You're the pig soaker.
My girl calls me the Big Dipper.
The big dipper.
Because I steal all the dip for the chips, all the chip dip, all the salsa. Yeah, she says I dip too much. I'm a hardcore dipper.
Hardcore dipper.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. We gotta do more stuff this summer.
Oh, do we?
We do.
What?
I'm saying like going places and chilling and barbecuing.
I don't go places, man, in the summer.
Huh?
I work all summer,
We went out last summer.
and then I
Shut up.
vacation in the winter.
You went out last summer too. You had your little boat and all that shit.
No, I didn't.
You had a little cabin, a little blow up thing, right?
What boat?
You had a little blow up joint. Or you guys are out in that water.
Oh, you mean out at the pond?
Why you trying to play me, bro?
That was not a boat.
Why you trying to play me?
Why you trying to play me with
Yeah,
a,
you trying to play me?
like I got a boat?
We were barbecuing together. You think I forgot?
I'm not even a boat guy.
Yeah, boy, you are.
No, I remember your party. I was on that. It was a giant bull's head. It's like a giant Chicago bull's head.
You know I got a new boat. I got a new boat, bro. And I can't wait to go in the water with it. It's big as fuck. The only thing I need to invest in is that fucking auto pump. So when I get to the spots, I'm gonna fucking. That's just too much work, bro. You know what I'm talking
You
about.
still didn't refill the paint pan.
I don't need that much. Look at it, I'm almost
Yo,
done.
I need that. You don't even need a paint pan.
Huh?
You should be using the bucket.
Oh.
Or whatever. Whatever's closest to you. I don't
Right.
care.
I use the bucket.
Stealing my tools, stealing
What
my
you need?
paint. Just enough to fill the bottom. Keep going. Keep going. We're finishing up here pretty much, so that's fine.
Don't play with me, bro.
Thank you, sir.
You know what it is. And what it ain't.
Tell them what to do. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't play.
To what?
Hit that button.
Yeah, so go ahead and do that. Subscribe, like, you guys watching. Check out our notifications when they happen.
That's right. We get things done here.
Sometimes.